How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about SolidWorks and Fusion 360. Now here's a quick comparison to help you decide which CAD software fits your needs. First things first, we have Fusion 360. It is more beginner friendly with a clean modern interface and faster learning curve. For SolidWorks, it is more complex and takes time to master, but that's because it's built for professional engineering workflows. Now, basically for feature and power, when it comes to raw power, SolidWorks wins. It's built once again for advanced mechanical engineering or design, large assemblies, and detailed simulations. Meanwhile, Fusion 360 is an all-in-one platform combining CAD, CAM, and simulation in one place, making it perfect for product design and prototyping. For the cloud and workflow, Fusion 360 is fully cloud based, meaning you can access your projects anywhere and collaborate in real time. Now, for the SolidWorks, it is mainly desktop based with optional cloud features, so it's more traditional in workflow. And next, we have the performance and requirements. Fusion 360 runs on both Windows and Mac and doesn't need high-end hardware. Meanwhile, SolidWorks requires a powerful Windows computer and is more hardware intensive. And the last thing that I want to talk about is, of course, their pricing. Fusion 360 is more affordable and even offers free access for students and hobbyists. Meanwhile, SolidWorks is expensive and mainly used by companies and professional. And so, which one should you choose? To simplify, you want to choose Fusion 360 if you want something bigger or beginner friendly and flexible. You want to choose SolidWorks if you need powerful industry level engineering tools. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.